If you want to learn how to make a logo like this for completely free, watch the full video. First of all, enter a browser, search canva.com. After entering canva.com, you will see an interface like this. You need to sign up first. Sign in using your Gmail account. After sign in, click here to see search option and search a logo. You will see many samples here. After such a logo, select one according to your category. My category is photography. Accordingly, I selected one. Customize as per your choice here. I delete the previous text here and write my own text. I will change the font of this text. Select the text for that. Then select the font. After customizing my text, I will add color. After all my customizations, let's learn how to save the logo. For that, click on share option. Then click on download option. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.